Hello everyone, I'm Shashikant and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm drawing a memory drawing. Hopefully this will help you to prepare for Bachelor's of Fine Arts CET or Common Entrance Exam or Common Entrance Test for Bachelor of Fine Art. Initially, I have sketched the figures very lightly with the light pencil, edge probably, and after that, I'm drawing the details of that every figure I have added. When I started drawing that time, the topic was not in my mind. I just started sketching random figures, and I thought I will make a video on figure drawing only. Later on, after adding 2-3 figures, I found instead of just drawing random figures standing there, I should convert these figures into something which is having a subject or a topic, and it was easier for me to convert these figures into an Indian festival, Holi. So the topic is of this memory drawing is an Indian festival, Holi. For exam, we have a very limited time. It's only 1.5 hours. So first we have to sketch the figures very quickly with the light pencils, or you can use the thumbnails before even putting your ideas on the paper. You can try 2-3 thumbnails, and later on, according to that, you can start shaping your figures on the paper, on the drawing sheet. You should not waste your most precious time. If you don't draw much detailed figures in background, that will be fine. The most common and logical way to begin a figure drawing is to work from top to bottom. You can initiate with the general shapes, just like head with a simple oval or egg. Then you can add the details in that form, and this way, if you are more comfortable and confident with the structure, you can move to drawing the main action line and gesture and pose. I start with the head because it establishes the proportion for the rest of the body. You have to pay particular attention to the angles at which the head tips to left or right. One more important thing you have to remember, that whenever you are drawing memory drawing and you are adding figures into that, you should draw their hands with details. Hiding the hands is a huge disservice to your drawings. You should not hide them in the pockets or something like that. Though I know that sometimes it's really difficult to draw hands and you most probably not like it, but still hiding the hands is a huge disservice to your drawing. And hands are just as expressive as the person's face. Drawing good hands take practice and again a good grip on human anatomy. If we are talking about feet, they are also just like hands, very important. And one nice thing is that you can hide them into shoes. But even if you are drawing shoes, you should know the basic anatomy of feet. For face drawing, it's very important to have the proportion. Proportion is very important for face drawing, so your face will look right and look good. But the problem is, learning the details of each component of face can be quite challenging. Eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, and even ears also. And the hair also. Honestly, hair is just important as any part of the body. It can sometimes tell you a lot about your person or the figure you are drawing. The 4 main important things to focus on while drawing here, which are value, flow, values, mean shades and texture. And it is more important, like most important, when you are drawing something, particularly in memory drawing, you need to require the understanding of the folds in clothes, and you have to draw different textures in the fabric. So you must know that how the fabric folds. So the simple thing, thinner fabrics will fold easier, creating numerous more folds than thick fabric. Soft fabric will fold rounder, so you should draw softer curves instead of harsh lines for your folds.